I'm trying to run a construction site here. Hold on, I need another. Oh, there we go. All right, go on. Take it to the dump site. That's where our dump site is? No, bad. Go. Go on somewhere. Go on somewhere. Yeah. Fly.
Fill me up.
You need to switch to progressive or something, because Geico just isn't working out for you.
I like that little gecko. He sells me stuff. I mean, he's a good guy.
I bet he does. I mean,
he's a good fella. Full yet?
No, we're still.
We're bringing him back up.
Where's he coming from?
Suck.
Hey, go on, Troy.
That's okay.
Whoa, I didn't know my own strength. Okay.
Full.
No, it's not full yet. We can still get another load in. You gotta take. All right.
Fill him up. Would you like the assistance of my foot?
Oh, it's a giant foot!
Sorry. I'm big.
Yeah, I can tell. Alright.
How close am I to being full?
You're almost halfway there. But if you get better insurance, then we don't have to worry about your coverage, and you can just go ahead and fill up as much as you want.
Why don't you pay for my insurance? Yep, good enough.
No, it's not full enough yet. We're taking that off your pay. That's coming off your pay. We're docking your pay for that load.
Okay.
Well, that was a very good job.
No, the amount I'm spending on gas to get from there to here is ridiculous. You're keeping my pay. Oh, that's gonna cost you. I'm suing you for that.
The meteor shower was actually right outside of the planet's atmosphere. I said a meteor shower was right outside the planet's. Well, actually, it was just one meteor. Aight.
Hey, that made our job easier.
The end. Episode 34. Previously on construction workers.
Meteorite! Sandstorm! Sandstorm!
Chemical warfare!
Chemical warfare!
Well, actually, that wasn't an episode, but now you have a preview for the next episode. Dump truck, yes. Alright, here we go.
You nincompoop.
Bob, we need another dump truck. Fix it. Give him a band-aid. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're ready. Alright. Hold on. Alright, we got part of the load in. Have you got that new insurance policy yet?
Nah, I'm still with Geico.
Still with Geico?
Like that little
Progressive,
gecko
really.
feller. How can you turn down a little gecko? I want to dig a little faster.
Hey, Bill. That's your name, Bill. What are we doing with all this sand that we're moving anyway? Is there a point to this?
We're dumping it about 10 miles from here on a little ways. Maybe more than that.
But why? Is there... Oh well, we're getting paid for it.
Yep, there's a point though. I think you're finna do something. Come on, you idiot!
Yeah,
Ouch! Bob!
Medic!
Coming!
Fix some docks. No, other way. Fix Oh, you made it worse, Doc.
Everything gets worse before it gets better.
Yeah, I guess so. Morphine. Oh, almost got him.
Ouch! Oh, my leg.
Meteor shower, watch out! Chemical warfare, meteor!